Hwedhel, Yarik, Larik.
The story of Chicken Licken.
Ithesa, Yarik, Larik, o crava rag prys, pangolvus mezen wari ben.
Chicken Licken was scratching for worms when an acorn fell on his head.
Henna a resol o own brass. A hunter I bluveno o kennis.
This gave him such a fright that half of his feathers fell out.
Gueres, ever armors. Ima and Ebron o corva.
Help, help, he shouted. The sky is falling down.
Reshu the moles, I leverel the michtern.
I am going to have to go and tell the king.
Ag ever bonyas warren forth.
And he ran along the road.
Warren forth, ever vetius gan speciar techier.
On the road, he met with Heckledy Speckledy.
Pleithes osta o mos mar uscus, he gracanas.
Where are you off to so hurriedly? She clucked.
Ima an ebron o corva, hagathes war o forth, the leverel, the michtern in Yarik Larik.
The sky is falling down and I'm on the road to go and tell the king, said Chicken Licken.
Mira mos genes in med speciar techier.
I will go with you, said Heckledy Speckledy.
Ag iabonyas war you.
And they went on their way.
Tam pella, a fetsonzi gans hozik lozik.
Just a little bit further and they met Ducky Lucky.
Black, Pythus osta o mos mariscus. Ever quackias.
Where are you going in such a hurry? He quacked.
Ima an ebron o corva, hagathesani, war agon forth, the leverel, the michtern in med speciar techier.
The sky is falling down and we are on the road to go and tell the king all about it, said Heckledy Speckledy.
Mira dolls genoch in med hozik lozik.
I will come with you, said Ducky Lucky.
Agi abonyas warren forth.
And they ran along the road.
Tam pella, a fetonzi, gans gothic lovic.
A little bit further on, and they met with Goosey Lucy.
Pleithas osta hui o mos maruscus, he a honkias.
Where are you all going in such a hurry? He honked.
Iman ebron o corva, hagathesini, war agon forth, the leverel the michtern in med hozik lozik.
The sky is falling down and we are on our way to tell the king about it, said Goosey Lucy. No? Ducky Lucky.
Mira dos genes in med gothic lovic.
I will go with you, said Goosey Lucy.
Ag I abonyas war you.
And they all went on their way.
Avistu, a vetonzi, gans yargini largini.
Suddenly, they met with Turkey Lurkey.
Pleithes o hui o mos maruscus, everglapias.
Where are you all off to in such a hurry? He said. Gobbled.
Ima an ebron o corva. Agathesani war agon forth the leverel van michtern in med gothic lovic.
The sky is falling down and we are all on our way to tell the king, said Goosey Lucy.
Oh, mira dolls genoch in med yargini largini.
I will come with you, said Turkey Lurkey.
Agi a bonyas warren forth.
And they ran along the road.
August than coos, a fetsonsi gans lowarn fellorn.
Near the wood, they met up with Foxy Loxy.
Playfeso hui o mors, moruscus, ever bovinas.
Where are you all going in such a hurry? He asked.
Ima an Ebron o Corva, old pimp, armas warbarth.
The sky is falling, all 5 of them shouted together.
Agathesani war agon forth, the leverel the micturn.
And we are all on our way to tell the king.
In where in meth lowarn fallorn.
Really?
Guess out them agus disquethers and forth.
Really? Said Foxy Loxy. Let me show you the way.
Ifo, Yarik Larik, Spekiar Tekiar, Hozik Lozik, Gothic Lozik, Ha Yargini Largini, Asawias, Lowarn Fallorn.
Then Chicken Licken, Heckledy Speckledy, Ducky Lucky, Goosey Lucy, and Turkey Lurkey all followed Foxy Loxy.
Neb Navina Aga Hameras and Micturn, Mez Everug Aga Legia Paran, Orthi Wooder.
So he wasn't leading them off to see the king, he was leading them exactly towards his den.
Ha Pitha Warfa Enna,
And what happened then?
Rez Zither Own Marvraz, Ag all Aga Fluveno O Kellis, Agia and Culvers, Hep Wo, Balls and Ebron O Corva.
And then they were so frightened that all of their feathers fell off, and they discovered that the sky had not fallen.
Itho, the Allenzy Nevra e Leverel than Micturn.
And so they never got to tell the king.
Ha, Yarik Larik, and Hwedhel, me glowers, Imaev o Ponya Hwath.
And Chicken Licken, the story I heard, he's still running now.
Nosta, prys gweli.